Hi guys, today we're going to see how to use for loops in Python. For example, if we have a list X that has some elements like 21, 30, 44, and a string hello. Now, if I want to print this, we will say print X. Now, if I want the values of this or the elements of this list one below the other, one by one, we can use for loop for that. So what for loop does is iterates a variable inside a sequence like a list, tuple, or a string. So let's say for I in X, put a colon and enter, and we should take care of the indentation, this indentation. So yeah, for I in X, put a colon, enter, print I. So the first value of I will be 21, then 44, and then hello. So, and we don't even have to increment the value or put a condition in for loop like we did in while loops. So let's run this code. As you can see, we have the elements one below the other. And now, if we want to print the numbers from 0 to 10, we can say for I in range 0, comma 11, print I. Here in the range we use 11 because the range will accept the value 1 less than the limit of the range. For example, if I put 11, uh, then the range will be 0 to 10. The numbers that will be printed will be from 0 to 10, not 11. So let's run this. As you can see, we have 0 to 10. So this is the most basic use of for loops in Python. There are much more things that we can do with for loops. And this is it for the video today. Thank you for watching. Take care.